Militer Rusia memperbarui informasi operasi militer khusus di Ukraina dalam 24 jam terakhir. Juru bicara militer Rusia Letnan Jenderal Igor Konashenkov, tanggal 20 Agustus merilis senjata presisi tinggi pasukan Dirgantara Rusia mengenai posisi tempur formasi nasionalis Kraken dan satu unit tentara bayaran asing di dekat Andriivka, wilayah Kharkov. Serangan mengeliminir lebih dari 100 tentara Ukraina termasuk hingga 20 tentara bayaran dari Amerika Serikat, kata Igor Konashenkov dikutip Tribun Timur. Operasional taktis dan penerbangan tentara, pasukan rudal dan serangan artileri Rusia terus berlanjut terhadap fasilitas militer di Ukraina. 7 pos komando angkatan bersenjata Ukraina, termasuk Brigadi Mekanik ke-53 di dekat Vodianoye, Brigadi Infanteri Bermotor ke-58 di distrik Soledar di Republik Rakyat Donetsk, serta 187 area prajurit dan peralatan militer diserang. Secara total, 267 pesawat Ukraina dan 148 helikopter, 1.776 kendaraan udara tak berawak, 367 sistem rudal anti pesawat, 4.354 tank dan kendaraan tempur lapis baja lainnya, 809 sistem peluncuran roket ganda, 3.320 artileri dan mortir lapangan, serta 4.969 unit khusus kendaraan militer dihancurkan selama operasi, kata Igor Konashenkov dikutip Tribun Timur. Dari kubu Kyiv, Kementerian Pertahanan Ukraina merilis 200 tentara Rusia dieliminir dalam 24 jam terakhir. Secara total 44.900 prajurit Federasi Rusia tewas sejak awal konflik hingga hari 178. Presiden Ukraina Volodymyr Zelensky terus memotivasi prajurit mengusir Rusia dari tanah air Ukraina. Kita tunjukkan semangat pantang menyerah mempertahankan tanah air, penjajah harus diusir, kata Zelensky.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. High-precision weapons of the Russian aerospace forces have hit combat positions of the Kraken nationalist formation and a unit of foreign mercenaries near Andreevka in Kharkov region, killing over 100 militants, including up to 20 US mercenaries. Russian Aerospace Forces Operational Tactical Aviation near Velika Mikhailovka in Dnepropetrovsk region have almost completely destroyed a battalion of the 110th Territorial Defense Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces, with losses of at least 200 nationalists killed and over 150 wounded. As a result of strikes on a combat positions of a tank battalion of the 28th Mechanized Brigade near Kiselovka in Nikolaev region and the 212th Rifle Battalion of Ukrainian Armed Forces near Apostolovo in Dnepropetrovsk region, the enemy has suffered over 200 casualties. High-precision ground-based weapons have destroyed up to 130 fighters and 8 units of special vehicles in the area of manpower and military equipment concentration of the 27th Battalion of the 127th Territorial Defense Brigade in northern Kharkov. High-precision air-based missiles have destroyed over 200 personnel, 2 tanks and 7 special vehicles of the 3rd and 12th Battalions of the 25th Airborne Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces near Zvanovka and Paraskovievka in Donetsk People's Republic. Operational tactical and dummy aviation, missile troops and artillery strikes continue against military facilities in Ukraine. 7 command posts of Ukrainian Armed Forces, including of the 53rd Mechanized Brigade near Vodinoe, the 58th Motorized Infantry Brigade in Soledar district in Donetsk People's Republic, as well as 187 areas of manpower and military equipment have been hit. 1 self-propelled Buk-M1 surface-to-air missile launcher near Shevchenkovo, 4 ammunition depots near Galicinovka, Konstantinovka, Shabelkovka in Donetsk People's Republic, and Belaya Krynytsa in Kherson region, 3 fuel depots near Slobozhanskaya in Kharkov region, Konstantinovka and Galicinovka in Donetsk People's Republic, and 1 US-made AN-TPQ-36 counter-battery radio station near Kramatorsk. Russian air defense means have destroyed 6 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Vrubovka in Lugansk People's Republic, Novomikhailivka, Staromlinovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Bogoroditskaya in Nikolaev region, Novozlatopol in Zaporozhye region, and Fedorovka in Kharkov region. In addition, 13 rockets of Volha multiple launch rocket system have been shot down in the air near Kakhovskaya hydroelectric power station in Kherson region and Melitopol in Zaporozhye region. In total, 267 Ukrainian airplanes and 148 helicopters, 1,776 unmanned aerial vehicles, 367 anti-aircraft missile systems, 4,354 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 809 multiple launch rocket systems, 3,320 field artillery and motors, as well as 4,969 units of special military vehicles were destroyed during the operation.